Can't handle the fiery hot Indian curry? No problem. Try chicken kurma, the flagship of the Indian kurma curry that tastes heavenly and so mild that even kids will love it. Chicken kurma is rich and creamy, cooked with plenty of yogurts and heavily scented with expensive spices. Once, it was a noble dish worthy for the Mughal emperors and graced the banquet tables of the imperial Mughal court. Now, you can enjoy this delicious traditional dish at your comfy home. Cooking chicken kurma is easy, but you do need to pay attention to a few steps to get it right. Now below is a detailed explanation of how it is prepared. First, marinate the chicken. Bone-in and skin-on chicken is most suitable to cook curries, with no exception to Korma chicken. Marinate the chicken with ground turmeric, plain yogurt, minced ginger, minced garlic, garam masala, chili powder, and salt. I prefer to add all the salt required for the dish to marinate the chicken, so that the inner part of the chicken will be well seasoned. So there's no worry that the chicken will be too salty. Marinate it for at least 2 hours. Prepare the onion and yogurt paste, or you can call it the Khurma paste or Khurma sauce. Cut the onion into thin slices. Separate the onions to become individual pieces. Saute the onion over low heat until golden brown with some ghee. Once the onion is burned, the chicken kurma will become bitter. Therefore, you need to keep the flame small and be patient. Brown onions give a pleasant aroma to the chicken. Once the onion is cooled, put the onion into a food processor together with the cashew nuts and the plain yogurt. Blend until it forms a paste. Set aside the chicken kurma paste for later use. Roast the dry whole spices to create a greater depth of aroma and robustness. Put the dry spices, that is, the cloves, cardamom, cumin seeds, and a cinnamon stick in a heated up pan. It should be hot enough until it is almost too hot to touch. But if the pan is way too hot, the spices will get burned and leave a bitter taste behind. When you smell the aroma of the spices and the color starts to darken, it should be ready to use. Once the whole spices are roasted, add the marinated chicken, ground black pepper, bay leaf, chili, coriander powder to the pan. Add some water. The chicken is braised in a small amount of water, yogurt, and the juice exudes from itself after cooking for some time. And then add the onion paste and mix well. Put the lid on so that the chicken will be cooked by the steam created, or else it will be difficult to cook through over low heat with little liquid. Open the lid every 5 minutes to give it a stir, as it tends to stick to the pan easily. Keep the heat low, as the yogurt can get burned easily. It takes about 20 minutes for the chicken to become fully cooked. When it is done, add some additional garam masala and freshly chopped coriander leaves. Chicken kurma is best to serve with biryani rice or jeera rice, which means cumin rice. It is also a great joy to soak up all the gravy with naan, paratha or chapati. I've just shown you how to prepare korma chicken. You can download the recipe and read more details about korma chicken at my blog, tasteasianfood.com korma chicken. And please subscribe to my YouTube channel by clicking the button below. You'll find there are many more of the similar Asian dishes out there. Thanks for joining me today. I'll see you in the next video. My name is KP Kwan and bye for now.